is your moderator. So let's go with the tour of the table. Today's points are tour of the table, progress of the annotation tool on I3D Viewer presented by me, and any other business, because anyone had another point. So if you want, we can start, Dominic, with the tour of the table.
Okay, well, my last was short, 3 working days. At Thursday it was a national holiday here in Slovakia, and from Friday, the whole this week I am at holiday. So not working or working limited. Last week was about assigning the tasks for the team, also co-working with Pratik and Andrew. And today morning I had a meeting with the VTC developers about 3 new tasks I gave them. The most important one is that I asked them to create interactive, integrated help into the VTC administrator part. This means that to each functionality there will be a HTML page which will describe what is happening after the button is hit or submitted, or after something is created or uploaded, because I think this is missing from there, and there are too many functionalities and we are lost in it. So this is the first task. The second task I gave them is to create a template for each of our partners, which will be give the possibility to customize the icons, the hotspots, and everything for the partner, which will be predefined as the predefined template for the partner, or the tools created by the partner. And the third one is to make customizable the city subpage on the VTC. This means if we will show, for example, display Košice Virtual Tour City or Wheels Virtual Tour City, these subpages will be able to have some customized template or layout. So now they are working on these 3 tasks, and I am on holiday. So that's all.
Thank you, Dominic. Thank you so much. So, Joseph, please, do you want to share your past week?
Okay.
Sorry, Joseph?
Yes. Okay, I hear an echo from somewhere. Okay. Do you hear me?
Yes, now it's good.
Now it's good. Okay. Not only the past week, I traveled all the time and in very strange countries where I couldn't find a normal internet connection, like Romania, Serbia, Croatia, Split, for instance. So the last week I just tried to review the last meetings to see what everything you did, just to understand where you are heading. And I still have a last travel to Belgrade, to Belgrade, from Thursday to Sunday, and then I am going to vacation. Thank you.
Thank you, Joseph. Elizabeth, do you want... no, I don't think so. Pratik, do you want to share your week with us?
Yeah, last week we worked on, again, remote assistance, and we also had a presentation with some guy from the Budapest. Me, Andrew, and Dominic presented the remote assistance and the I3D. In the weekend, I went to Krakow, Poland, and for a trip, and it was a nice trip. Krakow is a very beautiful city, and today I worked again on the remote assistance. On the new version of the remote assistant, I just added the recording status functionality, and yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratik. So now, Theophilia, do you want to share yours with us?
Okay. Hello everyone. So last week I continued with the task for the week before. We are continuing with the visible city for wheels. So for wheels. So this week we had to go to Wheels, visit the businesses, offer them to make virtual tools for free, and so by that also offer our services, the rest of our services for visibility. So we started doing the tour of Wheels, offering our services, and that was the main task from last week. That's it.
Thank you, Theophilia. And my past week I was working on the annotation tool, which I will present in a few moments. And I went to Belfort to do some hiking and visit the city, and that's all. So now the next point is the progress of the annotation tool. So this is what I was working the past week. Sorry, but I don't know why this is not working. Some technical issues.
Are you sharing the screen?
Yes, I am. Sorry. So basically, the annotation tool allows the user using the remote assistance center to import some images from his computer or some predefined images from the internet, and insert the photos in the screenshot. Yes?
Please present everyone because
Okay.
Yeah, it's like I'm sharing the screen.
Okay. So then you can send this texture, this screenshot to the user on I3D, and that's like all. Now I am working on some extra features to this annotation, like the possibility to rotate the image. For example, someone would edit, and this is like pictures that I have on a folder on my computer, and I can put them and scale. And this is predefined images. I will add more like arrows and other stuff, and that's all. Do you have any question?
Yes, there should be also an option to upload the new.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Yes, because there should be an option. There should be an option to upload a new image also. So you will have there some predefined shape.
But upload where?
Not upload, but to grab some picture from your computer, for example.
Yeah, there I already did that. You can click here. You can put some folder, and this is the, for example, like the folder that the application creates on your computer, and you can put the photos here, or you can choose another path, and you can clear the actual ones, so you don't keep them, or you can go adding all the folders you want, and that's all.
Okay. Great.
Okay. And I think that's all for today. Anyone has any other business?
Yes, what is working now on?
Sorry?
I would like to ask what is Theophilia now working on? What she is preparing, or what is her plan for this week?
Oh yeah, okay. So for this week, as I was saying, I'll continue working on the virtual tool, visible city build. So last week, we went to offer free virtual tools to few businesses, and so we were not able to make them like directly. So I got an appointment for a tour. So this week, and some of the businesses also wanted me to come in the morning, for instance, or at certain hours when clients are not there to take shots of the place to make virtual tours. So this week will be mainly to go back to most of these businesses which agreed to have virtual tours and take shots, and sometimes go back to have an appointment with the manager of the business, so I can take an appointment to the actual pictures. So that will be the main, if it's clear, yeah, that will be the main task for the week coming.
Joel,
Yes?
think about how the virtual tour.city looks like. If you would like to have there some graphical elements or some specific colors on the wheels.virtualtours.city, because we need to define what should be changeable on this city subpage. For example, what are the official colors of wheels, if there are any, the logo of the city and the others. So can you, together with Joel, make some proposal how this subpage should look like?
So subpage for Wild, right?
Yes, Wheels virtual tour.city. If you type it,
Oh yeah, okay, yes, I see what you mean. Okay, so we will discuss about it and share our proposition on GIV.
Okay.
Thank you.
Also, I have to drive here, so I will bring my computer, and maybe while she's attending the shops, I will be working with the remote assistance annotation tool.
Okay, please collect as much information from them as possible. So the right contact, the right address, the right social media addresses, and everything. Okay, because we need to improve the quality of the data on the platform.
Okay, it will be done. Thank you.
So that's all for today. Have a good weekend and see you next Monday.
Okay, thank you for
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.